Okay. Well, what they released was a spliced or incomplete part of the video. If they start from the very beginning, you would see that their boats came into close proximity of BRP Sierra Madre. In fact, part of the video, you could already see that they were quite close to the ship, to BRP Sierra Madre. That is already a self-incriminating video at naipapakita naman doon sila ay lumapit. So yung action ng ating mga rubber boats was merely to drive them away. And it was non-confrontational, it was defensive in nature, it was within the rules of engagements. Sila ang nag-provoke, sila ang lumapit. So what they are showing is a spliced or incomplete version of the video. If they show the full context of the video that they took, it will be incriminated against them. It will be self-incriminating. Yes, ito ay isang attempt nila na bumawi sa information space, sa information domain. Bakit? Bugbog sila, talunan sila. Hindi yung arbitral tribunal ruling, yung 10th anniversary, that gained a lot of media mileage and traction among netizens. We received statement of support from 44 countries. Yung claim nila about Batanes, bagamat academic group na naglabas noon, they were forced to distance themselves and say that this is not a state-sanctioned activity. Yung sa Baho de Masinloc, they were forced to remove yung survey equipment nila. Yung AI-generated video na depicting us as monkeys, the Chinese Communist Party through MOFA had to disown China Daily, when in fact China Daily is a propaganda arm of the Chinese Communist Party. But MOFA had to distance themselves from that product of the China Daily. And then we have the visit ng mga high-level delegations. ASEAN chair tayo, si Secretary of State ng US coming, yung counterpart from China. So a lot of events are transpiring that would bring the Philippines to a high moral ground that would show that we are on the right track. So kailan lang bumawi is a narrative, that's why they came out with this. Na nag-backfire, I could say nag-backfire naman sa kanila ito.